my name is Lauren and this is Jess, and we are Cal Poly dietetic interns, which means we're going to be registered dietitians soon. We are working on a project with the San Luis Coastal School District and the library. It's called Book to Action, and we're here to prepare some recipes for you guys, because we know you guys are at home and enjoying cooking.
Yeah, we're really excited to have you try some climate-friendly recipes at home and to follow along with our instruction. And we'll be kind of mentioning some concepts from the book throughout. So without further ado, let's get right into the Thai basil lentil burger.
So this recipe we decided would be a great one because we're going to feature some local lentils from a local farm, which Jess will talk about. And it's also just a great plant-forward burger. It's a little bit different. You're going to feature a lot of summer herbs you guys will have growing. We're just excited, so let's get started. So to start, we have all of our ingredients out in front of us. Here we have our lentils, and these are red lentils, a little bit different than the green. They're going to cook a lot faster. And then we have our coleslaw for the top of the burger. We also have some of our seasoning, the apple, we have cilantro and basil, some soy sauce, oats, and then the rest of your seasonings. So to start, we have a pan back here, and it has our lentils and water in it, and we're going to turn that on. You're going to let that simmer and cook for just 10 minutes. You're going to cook it until the lentils are almost done, but they're not fully cooked, and this helps give the burger good texture at the end. You do not want to overcook the lentils. So I'm going to get that going.
So lentils are a really great source of plant-based protein, and plant-based protein differs a little bit from animal protein because it does not contain all of the essential amino acids. But what's really great about legumes like this is if you pair it with a whole grain, such as the whole grain bun we're going to put the burger on, the profile of whole grains and the nutrient profile of legumes are perfectly complementary, so having both of them will provide all of the essential amino acids. And these lentils are extra special, like Lauren said, because they are grown right here in San Luis Obispo on Los Osos Valley Road by Larry Kandarian. So he has an organic farm, and lentils are one of his best products. So we're really excited to be cooking with those today.
So we have our sweet potato here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to peel it and to shred it. You're gonna have your box grater handy and your peeler, and we had washed the sweet potato. So the peeler, you're always gonna wanna peel away from you. We don't wanna get anyone hurt. So you're just gonna make strokes. So now we have our sweet potato. It's all peeled, so now we're gonna grate it using a box grater. This gives it a good texture raw, and you're able to just a better mouthfeel at the end. You're not gonna have something mushy. So you're just gonna take your sweet potato right on your cutting board and just shred it, just like you would a block of cheese. And we're looking for about a cup. So you'll have it, and it'll look about like this.
And sweet potatoes are a really good source of beta-carotene. That's what gives it that really bright orange color. And so it's gonna not only add color to the burger, but also provide a lot of health benefits, tons of vitamin A for eye health, great antioxidant.
All right, so these are our lentils all cooked. And you'll see they're kind of broken up. They look kind of soft, but they're still able to be strained. So we're just gonna go ahead and strain these, and then put them into the burger mixture. Okay, so now we are going to combine some of our ingredients for the base of the burger. And we have our cilantro here. It's about 2/3 of a cup, and you have chopped that up right into the mix. We have our basil in the recipe. It says Thai basil, but Thai basil can sometimes be hard to find, so regular basil is what we have right now, and that works perfectly fine. Right in there. We also have some soy sauce, some curry powder. This gives it a good, really good flavor and bright color. And it smells really good. We also have garlic powder. You're going to do a juice of about half a lime. So you can just go right over your hand. to catch any seeds. If you don't have lime, you can use lemon juice, that would be fine too. And then we have our clove of garlic. Just gonna mix those all together. So you can make this slaw while the lentils are cooling, because when you form the burgers, you want to make sure the lentils are cool, one for your hands, but also it just holds better. So the slaw, this is a good crunch texture, right? On a burger, you normally have like a red onion or something, but for this one, because it's kind of an unusual burger, I like to do a coleslaw. So we're gonna do just some cabbage slaw, and then we're just gonna add some mayonnaise. Again, if you're vegan, you can definitely use a plant-based mayonnaise, it's just a good binder. Then we have some apple cider vinegar. This just gives it really good acidity. Apple cider vinegar also has some fun health benefits too. So just mix that up, and then you can set that aside while you form your burgers and have it ready to go with the topping. So now we have our mixture, it's all ready to go. We're ready to form our burgers. So you're gonna take a half a cup, measuring cup, and you're just gonna get that, and you make a tight ball. And it's okay if these are pretty moist and wet. That's kind of the nature of a plant-based burger. And the tighter you hold it, the better it's gonna hold its shape. So just make a little patty like that. And this is gonna make about 6 half-cup patties. So again, just tightly in your hand. And then when we are done forming them, you're just gonna stick them in the fridge for about 10 minutes until they are perfectly set and ready to go into the pan.
So the reason that we're choosing to feature a plant-based burger is because we know that a lot of people at school may want to have more plant-based options as being more aware of our environmental impact becomes more popular. And so we know that plant-based burgers require a lot less carbon emissions and a lot less water, because if you think about all those resources that it takes to feed a cow, give it water, and also just like the transportation, it can add up pretty quickly. So this is why we really love this lentil burger, because the lentils come from just down the road from the school district, and it takes a lot less water and other resources to grow lentils.
All right, now we're gonna cook our burgers. So I have about a tablespoon of oil in the pan here. We're gonna turn that on. Medium-high heat. Let that heat up for a second, and then we're gonna add in our burger and cook it 2 minutes on each side. All right, burger right into our pan. You can set your timer at home for 2 minutes on each side. You're looking for it to get golden brown. All right, these ones nice and golden brown on the top. All right, now we are ready to plate our burger. So I have an apple here. We're just gonna do one big nice slice. This is again really a good crunch for the burger. So one slice here. So we're just gonna put the bottom of our burger down. We're gonna go back here, grab our burger, place that down. Don't be scared if it tends to kind of fall apart. They can be temperamental, but that's totally fine. That's just kind of how the lentils come together. But they are a wonderful summer meal. They're also really great to have on a salad or in a lettuce wrap if you don't want to have the bun. We're just gonna top it right with the coleslaw. Right on top, and then top it with the bun. You are ready to go. Got it?
Oh my god.
Hey, Jess, you want to try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
So good. The crunch definitely balances out the soft burger. Well,
Perfect backyard barbecue meal.
yes, and we want to know what you think, so make sure that you fill out the survey that we send out, because ultimately, if you enjoy this, it could be something that you might see on the menu at school, which would be really awesome. So, yeah, please let us know what you think, and we look forward to your feedback.
We had fun cooking with you.